Hey, my name is Garth with Canix Sales Systems out here in California. I had a chance to see Tony's presentation on negotiation at the MJ BizCon Next conference. We were at the executive session, and he put it on for the executive summit, and really a great workshop. Tony did a nice job of combining the practical and the tactical. It was good to refresh on some of the basics that we all have experience at and know and use in our daily work. But it was great to kind of break it down with some basic refreshing of the skill set, and then actually applying the skill set in that we did this interaction at our tables, and that was really fun and helpful. A great way to continue to learn. I definitely recommend Tony's workshop, and also if you're working with a younger sales team, I think his simple approach to negotiating for younger or less experienced sales folks would be really beneficial. So definitely highly recommend either his conference style workshop or even some additional training with him in the sales function.